In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple WhatsApp web sessions on your PC at the same time in 2025. This can be incredibly useful if you have more than one account, perhaps one for personal use and another for business, and you want to access both without constantly logging in and out. We'll be exploring two methods, using different browsers and utilizing incognito or private browsing windows. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about using different browsers. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any technical expertise. Start by opening Google Chrome on your PC. Once Chrome is up, navigate to web.whatsapp.com. Here you'll see a QR code which you'll need to scan using your phone to log in. Make sure you're logged into the WhatsApp account you want to use for this session on your phone. Once you've successfully scanned the code, your first account will be live on WhatsApp web right here in Chrome. Next, let's move on to your second account. For this, you need to open a different web browser, such as Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Once your chosen browser is launched, navigate again to web.whatsapp.com. Just like before, you will be greeted with a QR code. Ensure that your phone is logged into the second WhatsApp account you wish to access. Use your phone to scan the QR code, and voila! You are now logged into your second WhatsApp account in this different browser. Now let's explore our second method, which involves using incognito or private browsing windows. This can be an ideal solution if you prefer sticking to one browser but still need access to multiple accounts. Start by opening a regular Chrome window on your computer, head over to web.whatsapp.com just like we did earlier, scan the QR code with your phone to log in with your first account. Now for your second account, you'll need to open an incognito window. To do this, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and select New Incognito Window from the drop-down menu. Once you have your incognito window, navigate yet again to web.whatsapp.com. You should see a new QR code. This time use your phone logged into your second WhatsApp account to scan the QR code. You will now be logged into the second account within the incognito session. And that's it. By using either different browsers or incognito windows, you can effortlessly switch between your WhatsApp accounts and manage communications more efficiently. Whether for balancing work and personal life or juggling different client accounts, these strategies can significantly enhance your productivity and flexibility. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.